So how much did you consider support and warranty when buying your laptop or Chromebook? Let me know in the comments. You might remember this, it's the 2024 Acer Chromebook 311 that I purchased, unboxed and reviewed just within the last couple of months. For what it is, a basic 11.6 inch entry level Chromebook, I was pleased with it. I'll link you to my videos in the pinned comment and the description if you want to check them out. But shortly after I completed my review, this started happening with the display. I remember at the time the battery was running extremely low and the screen flickered heavily. It looked like the display's backlight had gone. What had been a nice, fairly bright IPS display now looked worse than the worst TN screen I'd experienced. It ranged from flickering to just looking completely dull and washed out, and with some really bad ghosting. I was just outside of my 30-day period from purchase. In the UK, we can usually return items within that window to the seller, but in this case, Argos weren't interested in giving me a refund, but did supply a contact number for Acer's support team. Acer or their team were pretty slick to deal with on the phone. They asked for photos or a video of the issue, so I sent them what you're seeing on screen now. They diagnosed, confirming my thoughts on it, that the backlight had gone, and pretty quickly they arranged pickup of the Chromebook from me. They advised it was going to their repair partner in the UK, Laptronics, also referenced as Laptronics Systems, and they used DPD as the courier, providing a service where they arrived with a protective flight case, and I simply handed over the device with the accessories in return for a tracking receipt. I thought that was really spot on, as many others won't have the original box or suitable packaging to return an item. While the Chromebook was away for just a matter of days, I received a few updates via email, including one telling me they were waiting on parts. I didn't have much time to wonder about what or for how long, as by the next day they'd finished the repair and the Chromebook was on the way back to me. From pickup to the delivery back to me, it took just 7 days or 5 working days, which I thought was pretty impressive. So switched to the Chromebook being back with me and it's all good. I actually tried to delay this return as I was away. I asked on the phone and via email for that, but it didn't happen. I could, however, rearrange DPD's delivery to a friend instead, so that worked for me. As you'll see, it came well packaged and with the paperwork confirming that they found the LCD panel to be at fault, and that was the new part that had been ordered and replaced. My original charger and the Chromebook itself were all back in the same like-new condition they left me in, and once started up I could immediately tell the screen was back to how it should be again. Components in any device will have a failure rate, of course, so this shouldn't put you off the Acer 311, but hopefully give you some confidence in the Acer warranty experience based on my case. And of course for me, the Acer 311 is still within its 1-year warranty period. I would like to hear from you though in the comments about your tech warranty experiences with different manufacturers. I'm sure there's a lot of good and bad there. Don't forget a like for this video, and if you want to check out some more Chromebook content from the channel, there's a suggestion from the YouTube algorithm on screen for you to watch now.